There's nothing worse than stepping into your car and being met with the lingering smell of cigarette smoke. But with the right methods, you can restore that fresh, clean scent in no time. Start by giving your car a thorough vacuuming, since smoke particles often settle deep in fabric and carpet. Be sure to vacuum the seats, floor mats, and even the trunk. Pay special attention to the areas under the seats and in crevices where ash and smoke can hide. For leather seats, simply wipe down all surfaces with a damp microfiber cloth to remove residue and restore a clean, fresh look. Odoban fights stubborn cigarette smoke and odors, transforming your car into a fresh, welcoming space. Clean the hard surfaces of your car with this powerful odor-eliminating spray. It targets smoke residue and stubborn odors on dashboards, door panels, and vents. Simply wipe and let it work its magic to neutralize lingering smells. If cigarette odors are stubborn, pour a cup of Odoban into a carpet extractor and use it thoroughly to clean your car mats. The powerful formula penetrates deep into fibers to lift smoke residue and lingering smells. Don't forget to focus on your car seats, where the most stubborn odors often linger. The end result is fresh, clean seats and mats that restore a pleasant, smoke-free atmosphere to your car. Using odor-fighting mist, which not only combats strong vehicle smells, but also infuses your cabin with a refreshing, pleasant new car scent. It is highly effective at neutralizing cigarette smoke. Eliminate even the most stubborn odors from your car's interior. Simply apply it according to instructions. Allow it to work its magic. Then open your car doors to let it air out for 10 to 15 minutes. The result is a long-lasting, fresh-smelling interior that makes every drive more enjoyable. Activated charcoal naturally absorbs cigarette smoke and other stubborn odors, helping restore a fresh, clean scent to your car. Place a bag of activated charcoal in your car to naturally absorb lingering cigarette smoke and odors. Sometimes the problem lies in the car's cabin, where smoke particles settle into vents, carpets, and upholstery, making odors hard to remove. Replacing the cabin air filter can help eliminate trapped smoke and improve the overall air quality inside your car. This simple change can make every drive feel fresher and more enjoyable. An ozone generator is another great option for tackling tough cigarette smells in your car. It helps eliminate deep-set smoke odors by neutralizing them at the source. After a short treatment, your car will smell clean, fresh, and smoke-free. By following these simple steps, you will finally say goodbye to stubborn cigarette smells and enjoy a car that feels fresh, clean, and inviting every time you drive.